In this video, I'll show you how to view AAA home insurance billing details. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see your AAA account overview. Under it is a section for your home insurance. Then you will see an option that says Billing Details. Click on Billing Details. That's how you view your AAA home insurance billing details. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.